In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Dropbox Rewind feature to restore a folder, or even your entire account, to an earlier state. This can be incredibly useful if you've accidentally deleted files, or if a situation like ransomware has affected your data. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step together. First and foremost, you'll want to log in to Dropbox.com with your account credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the folder that you want to restore. If your goal is to rewind your entire account, then head on over to All Files. Here, you'll notice a gear or settings icon located next to the folder listing. Click on that, and you should see an option labeled Rewind this folder. Select that option to get started with the rewind process. After selecting Rewind this folder, you'll see an option to try Rewind. Go ahead and click on Try Rewind. This action will bring up a timeline or graph that illustrates the recent activity for that specific folder or for your entire account, depending on what you've selected. You'll now want to choose a date on this timeline or graph. That date should be just before the incident occurred that you wish to undo. This could be when you suspect file deletions began or when a ransomware attack might have started. Next, if there's a fine-tune list available, use it. This list allows you to pinpoint the precise changes you want to reverse, giving you more control over the data restoration process. By selecting the earliest change you wish to undo, you ensure that any modifications made after that point are reversed accordingly. Now, once you've made your selections, it's time to click on Continue. Following that, hit the Rewind button to initiate the process. Once you do that, Dropbox will begin the restore process. You don't have to wait around for this to finish. The system will send you an email notification once the entire operation is complete. Once you receive that confirmation email, it's important to check the folder and its contents to ensure that everything has been correctly restored to the desired state. Carefully go through your files and verify that the restoration has met your expectations. After you've done that, simply allow Dropbox to sync these changes to all your devices, ensuring that every piece of tech you use is up to date and reflects this rewound state. And there you have it. You've successfully used Dropbox Rewind to restore your folder or even your entire account to an earlier time. This tool is invaluable for safeguarding your data integrity and providing peace of mind in an increasingly digital world. Thanks for tuning in, and happy file managing.